Is this a fourth order?
Yes. Yeah, it's designed by Basshaulic Productions.
Okay. That's pretty cool amp rack.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Is this a fourth order?
Yes. Yeah, it's designed by Basshaulic Productions.
Okay. That's pretty cool amp rack.
Yeah, man, it's it actually flips up. I haven't finished it out yet, but
nice.
I got 2 4-channels and a 3K underneath there.
Oh, so you're using your actual storage of your tire for the amp. That's a pretty good idea.
Yep.
I
wanted to have somewhat of a trunk left.
Yeah. And you still have a little bit of room if you need to put something in here.
Yeah. And I got the fans. They're not hooked up yet, but 2 D1200 XS towers.
Okay.
It's got a Brand X 320 amp hole. Yep. Double runs of welding cable, lots of Sky High cables.
Nice. Is that really nice paint job too? That's good. What kind of
corn spit and epoxy?
What size alternator?
320 amps.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I like a demo. Is it loud or trunk open or closed?
Closed.
Okay. Have you metered it?
No. Actually, I just got this plane the day before yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah, just a little bit of testing.
Single 10 though, I'm sure it's impressive. A fourth order. You happy with it? And with the seats up, is it a little louder, you think?
Yeah, we got all the stuff from the hotel here, so.
It's all good, man. You're good?
Still, I whip my phone, I dip my fake gang banging nigga turn into a snitch. When they get that 21, I left them in a ditch. We like gas, we like gas, gas, gas. We like cash, we like cash, cash. Wanna fuck me, I'm like yes, yes, yes. VVS, money conversations, money conversations, money conversations, money.
typical bandwidth for single 10 too, man.
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
Yeah.
Like I said, I'm very happy with
Yep.
it. Got it planned, you know, a couple of days, do a little more testing
Yes, sir.
with it.
And if somebody came in here and didn't look back, didn't know audio, say it's 212s probably.
Yeah.
A single 10, so, yep.
Yeah, I wanted something that was going to be impressive
Yeah.
too.
Yes,
You
sir.
know, something that people didn't believe it was a single 10.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you did it. Well, you met that goal, so
Yes,
thank you.
sir.
Nice to
Thank
meet you.
you. Nice
What
to
was your name?
Ashley.
Ashley. Jacob.
Nice to
Thanks,
meet you.
Ashley, man. You have a good day.
You too.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.